Today it's going to be a quick video. We're going to be opening this race car subscription box. I didn't actually subscribe to this. I actually went through onto the website and picked my own samples, which I thought was pretty cool. There we go. A few nice little samples in there. So thank you card. Keep that. What I actually chose was a few nice little detailing products from different manufacturers. Just went through the list. All this actually in this box only cost me £15 plus delivery, so I thought it was pretty good really for testing samples, etc. So this one here is a Carnauba spray wax by Detailed Online, so we'll give that a go in a bit. Got a nice interior dressing spray, a matte finish one. I like a nice matte finish on this Celica, like a gloss one on the Nissan. This is an actual wheel cleaning gel. We'll probably test that next week in another video because I've got a car coming in for a detail, so I'll probably test that on there. And I've got another quick detailer here, which I'm probably going to try this on the Nissan because the Nissan was outside yesterday. It's got a little bit of tree sap on it, so I'd like to see if this fetches it off. And this one here we got is a super gloss enhancing spray, so that should be quite nice after a wax, see if it brings any more luster to the colour of the car as well. And then we've also got another company called Splash Detail. I've never heard of these before. It's had good reviews, this wax. It's their liquid wax as well, so we give that a go, see what that's like. What I am really looking forward to trying is this from DoDo Juice. It's an air freshener, but it's leather scented. So I think I'm going to try this first on the Celica, see what it smells like. As you can see, I've got a really nice leather interior in the Celica. I do use a Auto Glim leather cleaner on these seats, and it really brings them up nice and soft, but it doesn't have that leather smell to it, so I thought I'd give this a go. You can see I think this is only a couple of quid reduced down price on their website, so a bit of a bargain. It also does do not put on director seats or light coloured seats and headliners, etc. Just spray under the actual seats onto the carpet, so we'll probably try that. Just give it a go, a bit of a shake. It smells really nice actually. This seat needs re-dyeing as well, I've just noticed. It's starting to wear, so I think I'll get the leather dye out and redo that as well in another video. If anybody's interested, just pop me a comment below and I can redo that. You may have seen on a previous video where I repaired all this seat. It looks like it's starting to wear again, so I'll re-stain that, I think, re-dye it. Bolster's starting to wear there as well. Okay, anyway, I digress, so just a little bit more. It does smell really nice actually. Right, we'll leave that for a little minute, close the doors up, see what it's like in a minute we come back. So I'm going to try the quick detailer from Cosmic Detail. It's a dapper finish. Again, I've never heard of this company before, so we'll give it a try, give it a bit of a shake. This is just the detail. There's a little bit of tree sap on the car. I don't know if you can probably hear it. So let's see if this fetch it off. It smells quite nice. Yeah, nice and glossy. So I'll continue and do the whole bonnet, and then we'll try one of the waxes. Yeah, pretty impressed with that actually. Got a nice glossy finish, took all the tree sap off. Feel the difference now, I hear the difference now. No dragging at all on that, really glossy and smooth. Yes, that's something I might invest in, get some more of that. Yeah, very impressed with that. Right, we'll go and get a wax sample now, we'll try waxing. And we'll try the gloss enhancer. So I'm going to try this Splash Detailing Golden Delicious liquid wax. It's the usual application, nice dry car, 3 to 4 pea sized spots on an applicator pad. Apply some nice thin coats, let it dry to a haze and then buff off, and it should leave a nice stunning wet look shine. So we'll see. It's pretty glossy anyway, the paint, so hopefully should just enhance it a little bit. I'll put it on with the cloth because I've got no applicator pads left. I'm going to get some more ordered. Nice thin coat. Don't put too much on. So the gloss level on this car is pretty high anyway for a solid paint. It's not base coat and clear. I do polish this quite often, more often than I drive it, to be honest. More down on the front. Okay, so we'll let that, it's a nice thin coat all over, so we'll let that dry to a haze and we'll give it a buff off. It's quite a nice smell, nothing over chemically. Quite impressed with it so far, goes on quite nice, but then the Carnauba liquid wax, so it's very comparable to other waxes. So okay, like I said, I'll just leave that. While it's drying to a haze, we'll just check the silica. Oh yeah, smell it straight away actually. Yeah, smells quite nice subtle leather smell, not overpowering. Yeah, quite like that. Okay, that's dried to a nice haze now. Give it a nice buff off. Comes off quite nice and easy. Not too much residue left. Yeah, really nice. So what I'm going to try next, I'm going to try the gloss enhancer, see if that, I don't think it's going to get much glossier. I think it's as wet look as it's going to get, to be honest, but just to see if it'll improve any actual slickness. That's pretty slick, still got a little bit of a drag to it. Maybe it's just me being picky. But we'll try the gloss enhancer, see if that makes a difference to the slickness of the paint. So the gloss enhancer is by Brite, Project 64, so we'll give that a go. A couple of sprays, I think. Cool, smells really citrusy, really nice. It's great fun actually that if you're into car detailing, you like trying different products, just go on there. You don't have to subscribe, you can do, you can get like a mystery package every month, or you can just do what I did and pick your own samples and send them out. I think it was like 2-day delivery. Delivery was about 3-4 quid. So for under 20 quid I got all those little samples. They keep you happy and playing with your cars for a little bit longer. Oh, that feels nice. Yeah, that's glossy now. Has it added any shine? Any gloss to it? Maybe minimal. Maybe it's just getting cleaner. Got a stone chip there. How the hell out of that? Haven't been anywhere to get stone chips. Yeah, that feels really nice. Yeah, really impressed with that. That's another one that's going to go on the list then. So on this side of the bonnet I'm going to try the Detail Online Fast Wax. Give that a quick go, see what sort of finish I get with this. It's probably enough there to do maybe 1.5 cars, maybe 2 at a push. Again, Nice and glossy. Yeah, that feels nice. Nice and smooth and glossy. Does it feel any different to the gloss enhancer? Which I think that does feel smoother. Yeah, a little bit of drag there. There. So what I'll do is I'll do the entire bonnet with that and see how that is. Probably using far too much. Smells really nice. If you like oranges, yeah, you can. As soon as I rub it over with this cloth, it feels so much glossier, so much more slick. So that's definitely one I'm going to add to the list. Yeah, perfect. Look at that. Give you a closer look. There's a couple of slight imperfections in the paint, but you're going to get that in any paint job. I think that looks really nice. It feels incredible. How long it lasts with washes etc. is another matter, but yeah, I'm really impressed with that product. So I'm back in the Silica to test the Wax Planet Redress Matte Finish Interior Dressing. It smells incredible in here, actually really leathery, it's really nice. So what I'll do is, probably better spraying it onto a cloth, but I'm doing all this one-handed. Just give that a wipe on there. See, that smells quite nice as well. Not as nice as the leather, but yeah, no, my dash is not in the best condition. I've got a few scars in it. Inherited them when I bought it, unfortunately. Good scratch there. Yeah, that smells really nice. Let's see if I can spray it onto the cloth. Clean the jeans at the same time. Yeah, it gives a nice sort of sheen, not overly glossy, which I don't like in the Silica. I like it in the Nissan, a nice glossy dash, but in this I like a nice matte finish. Yeah, it looks really nice, that. Really impressed. So I'm going to do the rest of the dash. So I'm quite impressed with that. It's really nice. What do you think? A quick wipe over. Quite nice. Not too shiny. Not too dull. There's a mark on this door card. Let's see if I can get that off. Probably using too much product again, but I always seem to. Yeah, that's come out nice. Scuff mark there. See if I can just get that off. And if I'm actually doing this correctly, just read the instructions. Yeah, usual. Spray a small amount on the trim to be dressed or onto a plush microfiber and wipe the surface. Redress will quickly evaporate, leaving no residue or streaks on the surface. Shake well before use. It's pretty standard then, so I can just spray it straight on. That's quite cool. Just don't want to get it on the glass, I suppose. Yeah, nice finish. Yeah. Still got a little bit of a sheen, but I don't mind that. Just don't want it sort of glossy and cheap, plasticky looking. Okay, so another success. Something else I might just invest in. I just keep getting the samples if this is all on sale. I think this one was a couple of quid, £2.99, something like that. For that sort of, what's that, 100mm? Last year ages that, wasn't it? At least a couple of car interiors, a couple of quid. So it was pretty cool little purchase actually. Got some nice actual products out there. Really impressed with the DoDo wax leather air freshener, and I'm really impressed with the Auto Bright gloss enhancer. That's really nice. So there's two I'll probably be ordering, and I'll probably get some of the matte dressing as well at some point when this runs out. The wheel one, like I said, will be done in another video. We'll test that in another video when I've got a car coming in. It's got some quite dirty wheels. It's having a full detail, so I'll be trying that on those. And the quick detail is quite good actually. Removed all the tree sap quite nicely off the front of the car, so I'll go around the rest of the car with it I think in a minute. So yeah, pretty cool. Some really nice products there. For 15 quid you get yourself some nice little bargains, nice little products to test. If you're like me, you like testing new stuff, then it's an ideal little website. You can, like I say, join the actual subscription and pay 15 quid a month and get stickers, air freshness, etc. Or you can just go on and order whatever samples you want, which I think is ideal for my sort of thing. If you've liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.